Hello, taxpayers. My name is CPA Aringo Frederick, one of the partners in Arilid and Associates. Arilid and Associates is an accounting and taxation firm located here in Nairobi, Kenya. Our offices are at Aqua Plaza along Muranga Road, fourth floor. That's where you can get us. And at this point, I don't know if I should say I'm happy, I'm surprised, or what should I say? Literally, you guys, you baptized me as the Etims national trainer. Wow, such a title, right? Which I really do appreciate. I understand because majority of the taxpayers, both of course accountants, both practicing basically accountants, talk about majority of people literally, including business people, business owners. Majority of the people, what I can say, like 70 to 80%, you've literally learned Etims through our YouTube videos. And main channel that you guys I know you've enjoyed in learning the Etims concept is Arilid TV. See, Arilid TV. Check out this channel very well. You've gone through this channel and you are always almost every day interacting with this channel, which we really do appreciate. The other channel is Aringo Frederick channel, which also majority of you've also learned Etims through this channel. Remember, like Etims is so wide, Etims is so intense, and whatever that we've been posting actually there is simply a glimpse on what Etims entail because Etims system as a whole is so wide. And in this case, I've been receiving a lot of calls from you. I've been receiving a lot of calls from you in relation to so many questions in relation to Etims. And some of the major questions that you have been asking. Like, number one, you call CPA Ringo. At this point, I'm trying to do this, but I'm not seeing the VAT code on my Etims. What should I do? These are some of the questions that majority of you have been asking. Other questions, of course, include I'm trying to edit or to check an item code. I don't see an item code. How or what should I do? Some questions will include I've done a mistake, I need to edit an item, I need to edit this invoice. What should I do? Some questions would be like, I need to create an invoice right now. What should I do? Right? Some of the questions also to the point that you guys you are sharing the screenshot of what you're doing and you're like, I'm trying to print this receipt. Oh no, it's not printing. What could be the issue? What is wrong with my print? What's wrong with my system? Right? Some also you've been asking like, can I really integrate my Etims portal with our POS? These are some of the questions that we've been asking. So there are so many questions, which I know I can't mention all of them basically in this segment. So on this note, I'll want to invite you guys to the National Etims Training Day, which we are going to do it on the 22nd of March 2024. Remember, the deadline for all the taxpayers to be onboarded on Etims is the end of this month. That is before 31st or on 31st March 2024. It is expected that all taxpayers should have onboarded on Etims. The question is, have you registered on Etims? The other question is, do you know how to interact with Etims in all areas? Which industry are you in? Are you able to interact with agents? These are some of the details that we'll be handling in our National Etims Training Day, which will be on the 22nd of this month. So to make sure that you've booked your space, below this video, I'm going to attach a form. Just fill in the form, follow the instructions and details on the form, and make sure you have booked for your seat. This is open to all taxpayers, business persons, you as accountants, those who are registered for VAT, those who are not registered for VAT, the small businesses. Because recall or remember, I'm not sure if you're aware of this. Remember, even you, a small trader, at any given point in time, you are supposed to issue an Etims compliance receipt anytime you're doing your sales. Are you aware of this? And do you know how to do this? E-citizen, e-citizen account. Remember, for those who don't have the PIN, or rather who are not registered for VAT, don't struggle with a lot of things. Just go to your e-citizen. And in that case, is a way that you can literally create an invoice, which of course will also include your logo, by the way. Yeah. So to this point, this training is going to entail a lot. I know all the questions that majority of you have been asking, for those who have been asking the questions, for those who are trying to basically understand Etims, you have a lot of questions. Then that day is simply for you guys. Make sure that you've registered, and in this case, you attend this training. Questions I know majority of you are asking, like, now, where are we going to do this training? This training will literally be online. So that is to say, it is open to all taxpayers in Kenya. Wherever that you are, you can literally join this training. I know it would be enough for us to cover everything in taxation, and that's why you literally design it for Etims, and of course some of the other things that will come in play. So at this point, the one that you baptized, the Etims national trainer, I'll be the team leader of the group that will be training you guys on Etims. So I'm expecting to see you, I'm expecting to interact with you during that day. And again, this is just a comment, right? You know, like I'm always so happy in a way, like Kenyans, right? You just call like can you assist there? Can you assist here? This is consultancy, and consultancy should always be paid for, right? Just kidding. I know I've been assisting you for free, but anyway, consultancy should always be paid for, right? At times it's good to appreciate. At times it's good to appreciate. Yeah. So to this point, to not to say much, I just want to take this chance, guys, to invite you to this National E-Teams Training Day. Mark the day, 22nd of March, 2024. See you guys there. And in case of anything in relation to taxation, in relation to accounts, you can always reach us out on the number indicated below this video. Make sure that you fill in the form below this video. See you in our trainings, guys. Thank you. And you have a nice time. See you then. Bye-bye.